Stop! Before you pet that innocent-looking animal next to you, you need to hear this. Right now, as you're watching this video, your pet might be planning their next lie. What if I told you that your innocent-looking furry friend has been manipulating you this entire time? That those adorable puppy dog eyes are actually a calculated strategy? Today, we're diving deep into the shocking world of animal deception. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at your pet the same way again. For thousands of years, humans have shared their homes with animals, believing in an unspoken bond of trust. But what if this entire relationship has been built on lies? Before we expose your pet's secret schemes, we need to understand something crucial. Deception in the animal kingdom isn't just common, it's everywhere. Meet the leaf insect. This master of disguise has been fooling predators for millions of years. But here's the twist. It's not trying to lie. It's just trying to exist. Same goes for the stick bug. Evolution didn't teach them to lie. It made them living lies. This deception goes deeper than you think. Even at the microscopic level, viruses trick our immune systems every single day, sneaking past our body's defenses like molecular con artists. But this is just passive deception. The real question is, are animals capable of intentional lies? The kind that requires looking into another's mind and deliberately messing with it. Let me introduce you to nature's most cunning criminals. First up, the neighborhood squirrel. You think it's just burying nuts, right? Wrong. This little genius is running a labradoric con game. Watch closely. While other squirrels and birds waste time digging up these fake burial sites, our mastermind has already hidden the real treasure somewhere completely different. It's like a magic trick, but with survival stakes. But if squirrels are the pickpockets of the animal world, then the fork-tailed drongo is the ultimate con artist. Picture this. You're a meerkat, enjoying a delicious meal. Suddenly, you hear the terrifying call of a predator. You drop everything and run for your life. But when you return, your food is gone. And sitting in a nearby tree is a drongo with a very full belly. That's right, there was no predator. The drongo faked the alarm call, orchestrated your panic, and stole your lunch. Talk about emotional manipulation. And it doesn't stop there. Harmless insects dress up like dangerous ones, essentially wearing warning labels that say, "I'm poisonous," when they're actually perfectly edible. It's like wearing a fake police badge to avoid getting mugged. But all of this brings us to the moment you've been waiting for. The truth about your pets. Brace yourself. What I'm about to tell you might change everything you thought you knew about man's best friend. Scientists at the University of Zurich conducted a groundbreaking experiment. They wanted to answer one simple question: can dogs lie? Here's how they set it up. Dogs were introduced to 3 people: their loving owner, a helpful stranger, and the villain of our story, an unhelpful stranger who would steal the dog's food. The dogs could lead people to 3 locations: their favorite treats, okay treats, or nothing at all. On day 1, the dogs led the helpful person straight to the jackpot, their favorite food. Honest behavior, right? But day 2, everything changed. When faced with the food thief, these innocent dogs became master manipulators. They led the unhelpful person away from the good food and toward the empty boxes. They had learned to deceive. They could tell friend from foe, and they deliberately chose to mislead the enemy while keeping the treasure for their allies. Those puppy dog eyes? They're not just cute. They're calculated. But if dogs are strategic liars, then cats are emotional manipulators of the highest order. That meow you find so adorable? Cats developed it specifically to manipulate humans. Adult cats rarely meow at each other. They save this special communication just for us. And it's no coincidence that a cat's meow sounds remarkably similar to a human baby's cry. It triggers our protective instincts. Your cat has literally evolved to push your emotional buttons. Even purring isn't always honest. Sure, it can mean contentment, but cats also purr when they want something: food, attention, or simply to calm you down so you'll do what they want. Your pets aren't just living with you. They're studying you, learning your weaknesses, and using them against you. But here's where the story gets really interesting. For true deception, the kind humans excel at, you need something called theory of mind. This is the ability to understand that others have thoughts, beliefs, and intentions different from your own. It's what allows us to lie, because we can imagine what the other person is thinking and deliberately feed them false information. Scientists thought this was uniquely human until they observed a captive chimpanzee secretly collecting stones when the keepers weren't looking. Later, when visitors arrived, the chimp would throw those hidden stones at them. This wasn't impulse. It was premeditation, planning, deception. The chimp had to understand that the keepers couldn't read his mind, that he could hide his intentions, and that his future actions would be a surprise to his victims. So the question isn't really whether animals can lie. The question is, how deep does their understanding go? Are they conscious deceivers or instinctive manipulators? Here's the final twist in our story. Research shows that we only catch human lies about 54% of the time. That's barely better than flipping a coin. So, if we can't even catch lies from our own species, what hope do we have with our pets? The truth is, your pets are manipulating you. They're reading your emotions, learning your patterns, and yes, they're lying to get what they want. But here's the beautiful part of this whole deception. They're doing it because they love you. Every lie, every manipulation, every fake innocent look is their way of communicating with you, of being part of your family. Your dog's strategic deception means they see you as an ally worth protecting. Your cat's emotional manipulation means they've chosen you as worthy of their sophisticated communication. So, tonight, when your pet gives you those innocent eyes, remember, you're not just looking at a cute animal. You're looking at a master manipulator who has chosen you as their favorite target. And honestly, that might be the most beautiful lie of all. If this video made you see your pet in a whole new light, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more such fun and informative videos. Your pet might not want you to know what's coming next.